Most of the vegetables that grow too fast don't last so long. It's been just 3 months since I planted my cowpeas, and it has reached maturity and producing seed. Cowpeas is grown for both the bean and the leaves. Here we eat the leaves as a vegetables, but the seeds we just harvest for replanting. The seeds make very delicious beans and is very expensive over here and everywhere else in the country. I will consider growing it in large scale next season. Everything else is blooming. Soon we'll be having pumpkins. So once the cowpeas reaches maturity, the leaves become too hard to cook. So we just uproot everything and plant something new in this area, and probably plant cowpeas in a different spot. It's always important to do some rotation of crops. This is more seed than I actually require. I won't be planting all of them, but I have to dry them first in the sun before planting. I will store the rest and add to my githeri. It's delicious for githeri. For those who don't know what githeri is, it's a mixture of maize and beans. They're cooked together and tastes great. I will be preparing some this afternoon. Join me for that cooking lesson. So this is how bad the leaves look. They are so tough and you won't enjoy it if you cook. I will now air them in the sun to dry. It's always important to store your seeds when they are completely dried. Damp seeds create mold and rot, so ensure your seeds are very dry before storage. So this is what the cowpea seed looks like. These are the beans. Very tiny but very delicious. It's the harvest season. Everything seems to be ready out in the farms. I picked some green corns for tonight's dinner. It's one of the ingredients we are going to use for making githeri. It's not always very easy shelling maize when they are still green. The dry ones come off more easily. I don't know what you call these tiny strings, but I watched in some video someone cooking them. Let me know if you eat them. For us, we throw them away. I'm winnowing the maize to remove any dirt so that I'm left with clean maize. So the maize and beans are mixed, then lots of water is added. It boils for many hours, so you need to put enough water. As it boils, I will prepare the cabbage, which is an accompaniment of githeri.